Hello again guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to draw Kevin Durant, NBA superstar. So let's get started with Kevin Durant. Let's have fun doing a drawing of Kevin Durant. Follow me along as I illustrate to you how to develop this drawing. So this concludes our session today of a drawing with Jeff. Hope you guys had fun drawing Kevin Durant, NBA superstar. If you had fun doing this, or whether you had fun or not, please subscribe to my channel, Drawing with Jeff. Let me hear from you. Let me hear what your comments are. Let me hear what your recommendations are. Let me hear what your opinions are, your ideas, your suggestions, anything you may have to offer. Let me hear from you. Please subscribe. So until next time, guys, hope you had fun. Join me next time. Until then, don't forget to rescue an animal if you're able to. Until next time, take care.